What's up, everyone? This is Meditate State, and today we are going to be manifesting our perfect lives. The whole aim of this video is for you to create a crystal clear and vivid image in your head of what your perfect life looks like from the minute you wake up to the minute you go to bed every day. What we're going to do is we're going to spend the rest of this voice note creating this image in our head. We are going to think of everything that our perfect life would consist of. Think of what every day would be like in our perfect life. Think of what cars we drive, where we live. Think of what work we do, what we do to earn a living and to earn money. Think of the people in our lives, the person you would be married to. Think of your kids, if you want any, your pets. Every little thing that you feel would be and contribute towards your perfect life. I want you to think about all of that and use all of these little things to formulate that end picture, which will be your perfect life. So we are going to spend the next couple minutes of this video just closing our eyes, taking a few deep breaths in and out, feeling our breath, clearing our mind, creating a blank canvas, and then slowly painting on each thing that would contribute towards your perfect life in order to create this final image, this final masterpiece that we can use as a reference to our perfect life. And then once we have it, we'll focus on it, we'll let it consume our thoughts, we will think about it every single day, and we'll use that as a goal for us to work towards, and we will manifest that picture and attract it into our reality and materialize it. So I'd like you to now close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, get into a state of relaxation and peacefulness, mindfulness, and then start to think about your perfect life from the minute you open your eyes in the morning right until you go to bed, and every day thereon forward. Think of your perfect life, visualize it, imagine it, and really go into detail. I want you to basically live out your perfect life in your head right now and believe in it and feel it so deeply and so intensely that you actually feel that what you are imagining right now is your actual and current reality, and this is the life that you are already living. You have to feel like you are already living this life. It must feel that real and that genuine to you. And if you can do that, then this will manifest for you in time. Just believe in it and have faith in it and know that this is where you're going to be. So with all that being said, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, clear your mind, blank out the canvas, and slowly start to paint that final image and create that final picture. Let's go. Great job, everyone. Great job. I hope that you all now have that clear, vivid, and beautiful image in your head of what your perfect life looks like. All the details. I want you to now meditate on that every single day. Think about it, let it consume your thoughts, become obsessed with it. Continuously think about it and have it in your mind, and it will manifest for you. Thank you for taking the time to create this image of your perfect life, and I pray and hope and wish you all the best when it comes to manifesting this and making this your reality.